I saw these beautiful yellow columbine plants growing at my friend's place, and I was so amazed. This flower looks so unique. It has this long tail, actually multiple tails. Every flower has these multiple tails, and it was blooming so profusely, that I had to have this plant. So I dug up from one corner one small plant, and I'm going to show you how it progressed in my garden. So here is the plant that I got, just dug up from a big plant from the side. And I'm going to just plant it in this big planter because it grows pretty quickly. And it's like regular potting soil mix with a lot of compost mixed into it. And I'm going to water it, and I'm going to leave it in the shaded area for a few days. And once it settles down, I'm going to move it into partial sun area because it doesn't like too much sun. And also, you have to make sure that the soil stays moist because, first of all, the plant is young right now and we have disturbed it. And secondly, it likes moist soil. And as it starts to grow, I'll keep you posted. It's been about 4 weeks and the plant is doing just fine. Now I have moved it in partial sun, and you can see in the middle there is fresh growth there. So I'm happy it is progressing well. By the way, it is also known as Golden Spur Columbine or just Golden Columbine. Another month has passed, and look at this. All the branches are going past the container. This plant blooms in summer, and it's actually the middle of the summer, so I'm not sure if it will bloom this year, but we'll see. This plant has grown so huge and it is so healthy. The only thing is that because we planted it in early summer, it's not going to bloom this year, so I have to wait till next summer. But the plant is really, really big now, and it is in partial sun, so it gets about a couple of hours of full sun, and that's it. It's been 4 months, and now you can't even see the container, and it was a big container. And good thing is that now I see some flower buds appearing. I had almost given up hope that this summer it is going to bloom, but I'm seeing flowers, so I'm really happy. You know, if you plant something which is not from store and you got it from a friend or we took a cutting or whatever and tried to grow it, and it starts to produce fruit or flowers in the same season, it's a great feeling. Look at these buds now. They have started growing and they are shaped like jets. Yeah, I really like these flowers and buds. They are shaped like jets to me. So it's been about 5 months, and you can see that the plant has grown really big. I mean, we took just one plant from my friends, and look at this now. It looks so healthy. And if you look through the stems, see, so many stems have grown. And you remember in the beginning we had just a few stems, so I'm pretty sure now I can dig up a few of these stems or the roots and start new plants from this. And then this flower stalk grew. It's about 3 feet tall, and it is developing so many flowers. So in about 5 months from that small plant to this, and this is not even summer, it is already fall now. So it gave us flowers, so that is really, really amazing because I wasn't expecting flowers this season. But you have to just make sure that you give it rich soil, keep it moist, and keep it in partial sun because it doesn't like too much of sun. And then here, some seeds are developing. So I'm going to collect the seeds and try growing this from seeds next time. But the best way is to separate out the roots, like just like we did. I mean, the plant grows so well that you can easily separate out the roots. And now I can see that some more flower buds are appearing, new flower stalks are developing, so I'm going to get more flowers. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.